everyone. Today we're taking a basic box mix and transforming it into a gourmet chocolate cupcakes. There are no fussy skills required to make these delicious cupcakes, so let's get started. We're going to start off by preheating your oven to 375. Then you're going to want to line your cupcake pan with cupcake liners. Doesn't matter which kind you use. These are a little bit more fancier. Okay, we can set them aside. Now we're going to make the cookie mix, which is going to be on the bottom of the cupcakes. It's just the chocolate, double chocolate chip one. To the mix, add 1/2 cup softened butter. And 1 egg. Now stir your cake mix. Make sure to get everything off the bottom, that all the dry mix is incorporated. Then we're going to stick it in the refrigerator and work on the cake mix. Okay, it's going to go in the refrigerator. Now we're going to make the chocolate cake mix. You can use whatever chocolate cake mix you want. Add your eggs. There's 3 eggs. A 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And 1 1/3 cups of water. Beat this on medium speed. Or you can beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. You want to scrape down the bowl. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now we're going to bring in our cupcake liners. And you're going to want to add, this is about a tablespoon. Just drop into each one of the cupcakes. Now just start pressing them down on the bottom. Flatten them out. It's pretty easy. Now it's time for the cake filling. I'm just using an ice cream scoop, a larger one, about 3 tablespoons. Okay, now you're going to want to bake these at 375 for 18 to 20 minutes, and make sure to stick a toothpick in the center to make sure it comes out clean and it's done. Okay, see you in about 18 minutes. Okay, now with the remainder of the dough, I'm going to place it on parchment paper. And we'll cook these after the cupcakes come out. We'll reduce the temperature down to 350. These are just going to be for the topping. We're going to crumble the cookies then and put them on top of the icing. You don't have to do that, but this is just for more like decoration. Okay, we're going to put them in the refrigerator until the cupcakes come out. All right, the cupcakes are done. And that was exactly 18 minutes. They came out clean with a toothpick. So now I'm going to put the cookie dough in the oven. I already reduced the oven down to 350. So we're going to put these in the oven. I'm going to bake the cookies for maybe 8 minutes. I'll check because they're only small ones, so it might not take that long. I'll be back. Okay, the cookies are done. That was a total of 10 minutes. Now let's cool them completely along with the cupcakes. And then we'll frost the cupcakes. See you later. Now that the cupcakes have cooled, we're going to make the frosting. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1 stick of softened butter. And you're going to beat that till it's creamy. Now add your confectionery sugar. It's 2 cups. Add a little bit at a time. Mix it a little bit before you turn it on so the sugar doesn't fly all over the place. Now you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of half and half or heavy cream. Second tablespoon. Third tablespoon. Let me see what that is. These cupcakes are so delicious with that peanut butter icing and that crunchy cookie on the bottom. They're so rich. So I hope you give these a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you at my next one. Bye.